Help ensure your computer data by manually creating a restore point in Windows. First, save your work and then close all applications. Select the Start button. Type Create a Restore Point and then select it from the results. Verify protection is enabled for the drive or drives you want to protect, or select Configure to enable system protection. Select Create. At the prompt, type a descriptive name for the restore point. Use something other than the date and time, as those are added automatically. Select Create to save the restore point on your computer. With the restore point created successfully, select Close. Restore points are saved until the set disk usage has been reached, and then the oldest restore points are deleted first. Select Configure to manage disk space and manually delete restore points.